In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated 2025. If you're seeing the not activated banner in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, don't worry. We're going to walk through a clean set of fixes that usually resolve it quickly. You'll want a steady internet connection and access to the Microsoft account you used when you purchased Office or your Microsoft 365 subscription. Start by opening any Office app, like Word. Go to File, then Account, and look for the Sign In button. Sign in with the same Microsoft account that owns your license or subscription. If you use multiple accounts, choose the one tied to your purchase to avoid conflicts, and consider signing out of any extra accounts listed there. After signing in, close all Office apps and reopen one to see if the activation message disappears. Next, confirm your subscription status. Visit your Microsoft account's Services and Subscriptions page and make sure the subscription is active and not expired or paused. If there's a billing issue, resolve that first. For one-time purchases, make sure the license shows as owned and assigned to your device. Once everything looks good, return to your Office app and give it a moment to refresh the license. Sometimes a quick restart of the app or your PC helps the status update. If the message persists, repair Office. On Windows, close all Office apps, open your system's app settings, find Microsoft 365 or Office, choose Modify, then run Quick Repair. If the issue remains, run Online Repair for a deeper reset. This won't touch your documents, but it will refresh core Office files that can affect activation. After the repair, restart your computer and check the activation status again. Make sure your device's date, time, and time zone are correct. Licensing relies on accurate system time. Turn on automatic time and automatic time zone, then use the Sync Now option if it's available. Incorrect time settings can block activation even when everything else is correct. Finally, use Microsoft's official activation tool. Download and run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant from Microsoft's website. Choose the Office activation option, sign in when prompted, and let the tool diagnose and fix licensing and activation components automatically. This utility can reset services, refresh tokens, and clear stuck activation states in one pass. By signing in with the correct account, verifying your subscription, repairing Office, correcting your date and time, and running Microsoft's activation tool, you should be fully activated. If you still see the banner, repeat the sign-in step and give it a few minutes to sync. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got you back to work without